I was scared to speak English. I always made mistakes and felt shy. But then I used ChatGPT every day for 30 days, and something surprising happened. I didn't plan to tell anyone, not my host mom, not my classmates, not even Zoe, my first real friend at school, because honestly, I was embarrassed. Every time I opened my mouth to speak English, my hands felt cold, my mouth was dry. My brain said, "Run." I knew simple words, I could understand short sentences, but speaking? I panicked. My words ran away, my thoughts froze, and my confidence gone. So I made a decision. If I can't talk to people yet, I'll talk to something that won't judge me. That's when I opened ChatGPT. The first message I typed was, "Hi, I'm Aya. Can we talk in easy English?" It replied, "Hi, Aya. Of course. Let's practice together." I stared at the screen for a moment. That felt nice. No pressure, no mistakes, just practice. So I continued. "I like cats. Do you like cats?" "Yes," it said. "Cats are cute. Do you have a cat in Japan?" And just like that, I was having a conversation. It was simple, but it was a beginning. Every night before bed, I talked to ChatGPT for 10 minutes. Sometimes I asked, "How do I say this in English?" Or, "Is this sentence correct?" It always answered kindly, never rushed me, never laughed at my mistakes. At first, I only typed. Then I started saying the sentences out loud. "Hello, my name is Aya. My favorite food is ramen. I don't understand. Can you say that again?" I repeated each line until it felt like it belonged to me. Some nights I used voice mode. I would say something, listen to the answer, and say something again. It was like talking to a mirror, but the mirror talked back. And one day, something changed. After that, I started speaking more. Just little things at first. "Good morning. Can I sit here? I don't understand this part." Simple words, simple sentences. But each one was like a tiny step, and every step made me braver. At home, Mary noticed it. She said, "You've been more talkative lately, Aya." I nodded. "Yes, I practice with, AI?" She laughed. "You mean ChatGPT?" I blushed. "Yes, it helped me. A lot." She smiled. "That's awesome. Whatever works." After 30 days, I looked back at my first messages. They were short, broken, full of mistakes, but they were honest. And now my messages were longer, clearer, more me. Not perfect, but full of effort. That's the word, effort. Because learning isn't magic. It's not about being smart. It's about showing up, trying, failing, trying again. And that's what I did. I still make mistakes. Sometimes I forget words. Sometimes I still panic. But now I know what to do. I take a breath, I remember what I practiced, and I try again. And when I don't know how to say something, I write it to ChatGPT later and ask, "How should I say this next time?" It's like having a private teacher, a safe space, and a cheerleader all in one. But here's the truth. The real change didn't come from ChatGPT. It came from me. I made the choice. I took the step. I said one word, then a sentence, then another. And now I'm speaking. One afternoon, Mary asked me, Can you help me at the grocery store this weekend? I froze for a second. Me? At the store? Talking to real people? Okay, I said. I can try. She smiled. Don't worry, it'll be easy. Just a small list. That night, I practiced with ChatGPT again. Where can I find the milk? How much is this? Sorry, I don't understand. Over and over, like a little play in my head. Saturday came. Mary handed me a short list. Just grab these 3 things, she said. Milk, eggs, and bananas. We'll meet by the cashier, okay? Okay, I nodded. My heart was loud in my chest. I pushed the cart slowly, reading the signs above each aisle. Milk, milk. Where is milk? Then I saw a man nearby. I took a deep breath and walked over. Excuse me, where can I find the milk? He smiled. Right behind you, aisle 3. Oh, thank you very much. He nodded. No problem. I almost laughed. I did it! A real sentence with a real person. Next, bananas. I found the fruit section, but there were 2 kinds of bananas. One had a red sticker, one didn't. What's the difference? I saw a woman picking apples. I asked, Excuse me, what is this red sticker for? She looked and said, Oh, that means they're organic. Ah, okay. Thank you. I learned something new. She smiled. Your English is really good. I smiled back. I practice, every day. Last thing, eggs. I grabbed a box and opened it to check inside. One was cracked. I looked around and found a worker in a blue vest. Hi, I said. This one broken. Can I change? He nodded. Sure, just grab a new one. Okay, thank you. Simple. Done. I walked to the cashier, carrying all 3 things in my cart. Mary saw me and said, Look at you, shopping like a local. I laughed. Just 3 things, but big step for me. She gave me her high five. That night, I stood in front of the mirror. Excuse me, where can I find the milk? I said it again, smiling this time. Then I whispered, Good job today, Aya. The girl in the mirror smiled back, and this time she didn't look scared. Later, I opened ChatGPT again. I typed, Today I talked to 3 people in English. It was not perfect, but I did it. The reply came, I'm proud of you, Aya. Keep going. I sat there, reading it again and again, and even though I knew it was just a chatbot, I felt it, like someone really saw me. So, if you're listening to this now and you feel too shy to speak, I want you to know you're not alone. Start small. Say one word, then a sentence. Say it to a chatbot, a mirror, a pet, a friend. Mistakes will happen, but they don't mean you're bad. They mean you're trying. And trying is how we grow. That's what I learned. From talking to a screen to talking to the world. And maybe one day, you'll tell your story too. Did this story feel close to your heart? Have you ever practiced English in secret too? Let me know in the comments. I really want to hear your voice, even just one sentence. And if you're learning English like me, don't forget to follow this channel. We're growing step by step, together. Thank you for listening. See you in the next story.